What is ABC inventory management?
ABC inventory management is a technique that categorizes inventory into 3 groups based on their value and importance to the business. A items are the most valuable and typically make up a small percentage of inventory but a large percentage of the business's revenue. B items are less valuable but more common, and C items are the least in value but are in high numbers. ABC analysis provides a mechanism for identifying items that will have a significant impact on overall inventory cost, while also providing a mechanism for identifying different categories of materials that will require different management and controls. By categorizing inventory the ABC way, businesses can prioritize their resources and focus on managing items which have the highest financial impact. Also, this method helps reduce holding costs by ensuring that less capital is tied up in C items, which are less critical and cheaper. ABC inventory management supports operational excellence by optimizing inventory levels, correct sales forecasting, improved order accuracy, and enhanced cash flow. In addition, ABC method enhances efficiency in inventory handling and storage, and helps businesses avoid overstocking and understocking situations. This targeted approach to inventory control ensures that the most critical resources are always available when needed, directly contributing to smoother operations and better customer service. Overall, ABC inventory management is a strategic tool that aids in making informed decisions about purchasing and production, aligning inventory practices with business priorities, and supporting overall operational excellence.
Visit drshrutibhat.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.